Hey friends, today we're gonna draw a Christmas robot.
Yeah, we hope you're gonna follow along. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our robot's eyes. I'm gonna draw 2 circles. Squeaky markers. I'm gonna draw one circle here, and then I'm gonna draw another circle pretty close right here. We're gonna draw our funny robot face first. Then inside of these, I'm gonna draw another circle, and we can color in the outside shape, but leave this smaller circle in the center white. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video if you need extra time. Okay, now let's draw the mouth, and I'm gonna draw a funny smile, and we could also open up the smile so it's really happy. Oh, we could even give our robot a tongue. Then I'm gonna color in that top shape. Now let's draw the head for our robot. I'm gonna start here on the left side, and we're gonna draw a curve, or the letter U, kind of a wide letter U, for the shape of our robot's head. Oh, I'm also gonna add another little detail, maybe a little curve right here on the left and also on the right. Then let's draw another shape around the first one we drew for the outside of the robot's head. Then let's draw robot ears. I'm going to draw the letter C on the left and a backward C over here on the right. We could add extra details to these little ears too. I'm going to draw another curve inside. I'm going faster because our friends can change the details. You guys can pause the video if you want to take extra time and add even more crazy stuff to your drawing. Now let's draw our Santa hat. I'm going to draw a curve that goes over the top of our robot's eyes. And these other lines I'm going to connect into the bottom of the hat too. This is the bottom fluffy part of our Santa hat. Now let's draw the outside shape, or the outside line. I'm going to come out like this on both sides. And then we can also connect those together with a curve. And this curve, I tried to match the bottom of it too. Yeah. Oh, let's give our little robot some reindeer ears too, coming out of our Santa hat. I'm going to start here, and we'll draw a curve that comes up. And then let's draw a curve coming this way, going the other direction. And let's repeat the same step, but going the other way for the other antler. Yeah, okay, up at the top, we're gonna curve around, and then we're gonna draw a letter U. That was tricky. We're gonna practice. I'll do it again over here, going the other direction. This antler might get a little bigger than the other one. And then I'm going to make this side go up higher and then come back down like it's going to connect here. And we'll do the same, go up a little higher, come around, and then connect, or like almost like we're going to connect, but leave a little space. Then let's come down just a short line to match the other side. And then let's draw another part of the antler coming out, back in, and then we'll connect in. That looks really cool. Looks like a robot antler. And we'll do the other side to match. This is awesome. Okay, now let's draw the rest of the Santa hat. I'm going to draw a curve coming. Oh, let's stop there, and we'll come over here and do this side too. I'm going to draw a little curve that's going behind the antler. And this is the folded part of our Santa hat. This side, we're going to extend and go higher. See how I went over that first part? And then we're going to come out on this side, and we'll stop there. That's a little tricky because of all the overlapping and going behind the antlers. Then we're going to draw the other side. And then the little pom-pom or fluffy snowball at the end of the hat. Yeah, it looks awesome. There's our little robot head. Now let's draw the body. We can start with the small little neck. Now let's draw the body. First, let's draw the shoulders. Then on each side, let's curve down. And then let's connect the sides together with a curve. So we got kind of this curved square shape. Yeah, and then let's also, just like we have for the head, let's draw another shape that matches, that goes around and kind of creates this border. Let's also add a little wreath for the decorations on our robot. I'm going to draw a zigzag line. I'm going to start at the top in the middle and draw it coming down to the center here. And then I'm going to draw the zigzags going the other way to finish the circle wreath shape at the bottom. Now let's draw the center of our wreath. I'm going to draw the zigzags coming around, and we can kind of do that same technique where we start at the top and then come down to the middle and then go back around the other way. Then inside, I'm going to draw another little circle. Maybe this is our robot's light to tell us that it's on. It's inside our wreath. Now let's draw the arms, and also let's draw our robot hanging onto a candy cane. First, let's draw the mitten right here, or robot hand. And then we could draw a little thumb right here. Then we're going to draw it hanging onto a candy cane. So let's draw two diagonal lines right next to each other. And we're going to imagine those going through the mitten and coming out the bottom. Then down here, we can connect those together with a curve. It's a really thick candy cane. And then up here, we're going to draw a little upside down U. And then we'll draw the other side of the candy cane coming around for the hook and back down. And then when we're here, we can connect those together too. Yeah, all right. We can add the stripes with our colors later. Let's connect the arm into the body. But first, let's draw a shoulder shape. And then we can just draw the arm by drawing two little curves connecting in. Yeah. Let's draw the other arm over here. We could draw it waving. So let's draw the shoulder. Then we're going to draw it curving up. So we'll draw the arm curves. And then we're going to draw the mitten. I'm going to draw a line connecting. Then we'll draw the thumb. And the rest of the hand coming around and stopping on the side. Yeah, we could also add little details. Let's draw three little lines on the arm, and we could also add one over here on this arm too. Now let's draw the feet, and we'll keep it really simple. We'll draw two upside down letter U's right next to each other. And then we can draw the bottom of a robot's feet. Oh, let's draw another layer for the bottom, very bottom. And then we can connect the feet in to the body with two lines for the legs. We did it, Austin. We finished drawing our Christmas robot, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, so pause the video and take extra time to color your drawings. Austin, give me 5. We did it. We finished drawing and coloring our Christmas robots, and yours is my favorite.
Thanks, I really like yours too.
Oh, thanks. Now you can pause the video to match our same coloring.
Or you could color it differently.
Yeah, and you could also add a background. I added a Christmas present, but you could even add a Christmas tree or lots of trees.
And even Santa.
That would make your drawing perfect. Also a reminder, we used our Art for Kids Hub alcohol-based markers, but you can use whatever you have, like crayons or even colored pencils, or even a different brand of markers. You don't have to use the same thing as us.
Yeah, we hope you had a lot of fun drawing a Christmas robot.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.